In just a span of 1 year, these YouTubers literally went from $0 to over $100,000 a month.
$100,000 in sales in 1 month. And
I made over $500,000 at 15 years old in just the last.
Although some isn't there yet, but surely they will. You see, social media is turning from where you just share your passion and hobby to becoming a printing press that prints millionaires, if not billionaires. So you either be part of the rockets or watch it fly away. And for now, it's being simple as ever to make content, because CapCut provides almost anything that you pay subscription for, from text to image, animation, noise reduction, talking avatars, and way lots. And although I'm not making $100,000 a month, $10,000 or even $1,000 a month, but as much as I
just shut up and stop whining like a baby and put in the work, so
everything will start to click. Although it's depressing than ever for me, because living in a country or environment where making money is literally a myth, and most of all, I don't even have a PC or any money in my account. I sometimes wonder how long can I go with this dream of mine, becoming a YouTuber one day, doing what I love, sharing what I like, and inspiring a lot of people in my space. Although this video is not 8 minutes or 9 minutes video as I used to do, I am glad I just did it. And I don't really care if you would give me a like on this video. All that I know right now is I am at my lowest point and feels like making a video about it. And see you in the next video.